Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for you. In this video, we have topic called types of parameters, call by value and call by reference. So let's start with types of parameters. So friends, if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel Arun Reddy Tech for you and don't forget to like my videos. Coming to the types of parameters are two types. One is actual parameter and another one is formal parameter. So actual parameter is declared in function call. So when we are calling a function, we have a function call, right? So in the function call, we declare the parameters, and that parameters are called actual parameters. And formal parameters which are declared in function definition. So whatever the parameters which declare in the function definitions are formal parameters. So let us see a small example. See here, I have a program which contains sum of two numbers. So I am passing a and b value. See what I am doing, I am writing two parameters in the function call which contains a and b. So these a and b are called actual parameters, and the values which we are passing to other variables. For example, you can see in function definition you have int x and int y. So x will copy the a value and y will copy the b value. So these x and y are called formal parameters. Once again, the parameters which are written in the function call are called actual parameters. The parameters which are written in function definition is called as formal parameters. So a, b are actual parameters and x, y are formal parameters. Nice, right? So let us see how we can call a function in the C language. So we can call a function in C language by using call by value and call by reference. So call by value, in call by value, the value of variable is passed to the function as parameter, and the actual parameter cannot be modified by formal parameters. Okay, and different memory is allocated for both actual parameters and formal parameters. That means here we are passing the value. Suppose if I want to pass if a b value into the function definition which contains x and y, so now I am only passing the value, right? So let us see a small example so you can understand in better. So see, I have a program called swap. Now I am swapping two variables. So for that, first I have taken m and n value which are called actual parameters, and I have taken formal parameters a and b, right? So a and b are formal parameters, and now I have also taken a temporary variable. Why we have taken a temporary variable? Because I want to pass a value to b value to a. So when I am passing a value to b and b value to a, I required another variable to copy. So let us see how this program will work, and what is a call by value, and what is the difference between a call by value and call by reference. Okay, so when I run the program, so see, let us run the program. So for cursor is int m is equal to 22 and n is equal to 44, right? Okay, so now what happens, it is printing the value before swapping. So before swapping, what it is, m is 22 and n is 44, right? Now what I will do, I will pass this m values to m and n values to a and b, right? So now a contains m value and b contains n value, right? So a is nothing but a 22, b is nothing but a 44. So remember, a is assumed as m and b is assumed as n. Now what I am doing, I am using a temporary variable. Now what I will do, I will copy a value into temporary. So 22 will be copied into the temporary. Next what I will do, b value I will copy into a. So a value will be overwrite. A value will be erased, and b value what we have 44. So 44 will be copied into a, that is 22, and again a value already I have copied into the temp value, right? Now temp value contains 44. Now what happens, b is equal to temp. Now b will be override with the temp value, that is b will become, what b will become, b will become 22. See how I swapped the a value into b and b value into a by using a extra variable called temp. Now I will, what I will do, I will print. Now as we assume that a is a m and b is equal to n, right? Now what happens if I print a m value is equal to percentile d a? So what it is printing, 22, and if I print n is equal to percentile d, that is b. So what it is printing? 44. So what happened? The values as swapped. So m value it has become n and n value will become m. So let us see the output. See, the value after swapping m is equal to 44 and n is equal to 22. Nice, right? So this is how we swap our values, right? So let us go to the next one, call by reference. So what happened in the call by reference? We are not passing any value. Okay, so here the variable will not pass any value, and instead of passing value it will refer to the address. Okay, so in this method it will refer to the address, and the same memory, actual parameters and formal parameters will have a same memory, right? Any changes we do in for the formal parameters will affect the actual parameters. So let us see the program once. See, right, so here I have a program, same program. Only difference is instead of a int a b, I have taken pointer values. Why I have taken pointer values? To save the address. And when I am passing swap, what I have done? I have kept and m and n. So why I have kept and m and n? Because it will, when I say m and n, it will pass the value. So I don't want to pass the value, but I want to pass the address. So let us assume m contains 22 value and address is 104. So it will not pass this swap, it will not pass 22, but it will pass the address 101, right? So now that's why I am passing the address. So if I pass the address, so what a will save? A will save the address, b will also save the address of n, right? So but when we are printing, what happens? We will get the value, right? So that's the difference. So let us see how output. See, output is same. Again we got the same output. What is the difference between a call by value, call by reference? Let us see once. First difference is, instead of a and b we are using pointer a, pointer b. Second difference is, instead of passing value m n, we are passing address and m and n. And third, again in the formal parameters also, we are in the call by value we have int a, int b, and here we have pointer a, pointer b, right? Pointer a, pointer b, right? So these are the three difference, where in the call by value we are passing the value, and in the call by reference we are passing the address. That's the difference. Nice, right? So friends, keep practicing. Thank you.